got a memory in every risk. Yeah, we're living it. From nowhere plans to stamp passports. We're not who we were before. We're getting used to this, chasing travels and bars like this. Joining Clarence, chasing the wind. Different city lights we're standing in. Every sunrise hits like bliss. Every goodbye we won't forget. From small town nights to planes that lift. Yeah, we're getting used to this. We're getting used to this. Building a life we once just switched.
Chat-chat kita ha. Inumin mo muna ba to? Inumin mo muna to.
Ay, bawal na. Bawal eh.
Bakit? So guys, try namin tong self-check-in nun.
Sanding kaya ang Cebu Pax.
Yung mahaba man. So guys, magba-bag drop na kami. Ito, kasi hindi ko sure kasi natanggal ko kasi sticker niya.
Yung
Ito. Yakult break na. Nakakuha na kami ng boarding pass. Nakapag-drop.
hindi pa kami sure.
So guys, going to Hanoi. So nakalusot na kami guys sa immigration. Akala ko sa Baguio na tayo. So ano tayo, gate 101. So pupunta lang kami guys sa gate 101. So guys, ayun yung mga shops dito sa Terminal 3. May potato corner, prutas. Ituloy ko kayo kahit baka nakapunta na kayo dito. So guys, ang sarap lang sa feeling na nakalusot sa immigration. Though hindi naman namin first time. Third time na namin. Pero grabe kasi yung issue guys sa immigration. So, wait lang. Ang ikli kasi ng conveyor walkalator. So parang nasa dulo pa na tayo.
Piling ko talaga ako bukas.
Ayan, sabi ko huwag ka na umuwi eh.
Wala nangyari dun sa Marimar.
Ano nga ulit?
Ha? Sino nag-price nun? Huwag ginaway kami
Huwag
dito
ikaw,
pa.
di ba?
So guys, bibili tayo. Ito na lang, hotdog.
Gusto ko nga na ito kaso ano. Ito lang.
Okay. Ha?
We invite customers who have requested special
So guys, bumili muna kami ng water and dinner. So, konti lang kasi yung options dito guys sa Terminal 3. Kaya may nakita kaming hotdog and rice. Siguro yun na lang.
Wala lugaw.
Ba't hindi nakita yun? May lugaw pala. Parang bet ko din sana lugaw. Pero okay din guys, hindi pa tayo kumain pa.
Mag-split ko dapat sa pagbaba. Mag-didictate ko. Parang pakita mo.
So guys, we are now bored.
Aalis na kami guys.
and 5 minutes. And for your information, there's an hour time difference between Manila and Hanoi. Hanoi is an hour behind. Ang lipad na ito ay pinakunan Kapitan Ray Bacal sa
Dapat ba? Hindi pa. Bawal pa?
Paglipad.
Maliit lang airplane natin.
So guys, ito yung laboratory nila. So, okay naman siya. Hindi lang ako guys. Sa Vietnam na nga.
We started with a map and a borrowed dream. 2 small bags and a camera screen. Didn't know where the road would bend. Just knew we didn't want to stay where we've been. Late night
guys,
talks
we're
at the
here at
airport
Noy Bahay
gate.
International.
Said one day we'll look back at this place. Now the sky feels closer than it did. Every takeoff feels like a promise we made as kids. Every mile got a memory in every risk. Yeah,
So
we're
guys,
living it.
nakuha na.
From nowhere plans to stamp passports. We're
Punta na
not
kami sa
who
hotel,
we
pero
were before.
hindi ko mag-withdraw muna kami.
We're getting
And,
used to this, chasing
try kasi
travels
na
and
mag-withdraw,
vlogs
pero
like
dito sila
this.
nakapila
Join
kanina.
and Clarence,
So, ito kasi,
chasing the wind.
okay lang.
Different city lights we're standing in. Every sunrise hits like bliss. Every goodbye we won't forget. From small town nights to planes that lift. Yeah, we're getting used to this. We're getting used to this. Building a life we once just wished. Hotel rooms with the curtains wide. New language on the street outside, but somehow it still feels the same. Same laughter echoing our names. We were scared, but we hit record.
Guys, nandito kami ng
Now the world's what we're working toward. Every stumble, every delay turned into stories we tell today. Every mile got a memory in it. Every doubt we're growing with. What felt far now feels so near. We're right where we said we'd be. We're getting used to it. Chasing travels and vlogs like this. Join and Clarence side by side through every runway, every ride.
So guys,
Every moment we can't
Punta kasi kami ng local dito, pero may wifi na. Ay, wait lang. Picturean nyo. Wait. Yung hotel kasi, Wait, ay. Picturean nyo nga ako. Picturean nyo.
We found a version of us alive. The same just places that we've seen us who are slowly becoming. We're getting used to chasing travels and vlogs like this. Join and Clarence, hearts wide open.
pupunta na kami sa hotel guys. With our bride.
Every risk, every memory sealed with a kiss from what days to moments like this. Yeah, we're getting used to this. Travel life we won't resist.
Hello.
JC travels were made for
Happy New
this.
Year.
Happy
Việt Nam
New
sẽ
Year.
chúc mừng năm mới.
Kaya pala may fireworks kanina. Happy New
Chuk
Year.
namoy. Baka naman may something yung ganyan.
Hindi yan.
Sure ba? Kasi di ba dapat makikita ang booking, walang book, hindi niya naman binook. Yung parang meron tayong record sa
Ganyan din
end.
naman sa atin eh. Kasi nga pag sa Grab, hindi naman sure na sila yung makukuha.
Ah.
Wala pa,
Ah,
ang ganda. Bye.
Siguro ano mo na lang.
Saka mabait niya naman.
Ay, ang ganda naman.
Wait lang. Ititingnan muna natin kung ano itsura.
Pero hindi ano.
So guys, hanapin namin yung hotel namin, oras
Eh
na.
parang naging original price nga rin siya. Kaya palang lakas-lakas niya mag
Hindi, mas mahal kasi kung nasunod yung... Wala kayo naiwan ha.
Ha? Wala, hindi ko alam.
So
Kaya pala
guys,
siya, ano?
we're lost. Pero buti meron si kuya, tutulungan niya ata kami.
Dahil naman.
Ang problem kasi guys, hindi kami nakapag ng wifi. Tsaka nakapag-withdraw lang kami kasi anong oras na. So expected kasi namin makakapag wifi kami. So siguro yun lang yung lesson learned. So pero ang cute na itong lugar. Ewan ko lang kung makikita nyo guys yung ganda dito. Kasi sa camera for sure madilim.
Pero ang kulit lang, 30.
So akala ko may ano.
So di pa rin tayo papasok. Bukas na ata yun. Sabi rin bukas na yung gate. Hello,
Paano ba?
Nakakaloka.
So guys, finally na-decipher namin ang code. And we finally connect. So paano siya ilalak?
Sabi daw, yun yung request.
Ang gulo-gulo ng buhok. Uy, ang ganda. Oh my God, paano siya? Oh my God.
Ang ganda. O yung bakit?
Pero ba't basa? Wait lang.
Uy, video mo nga yan.
So meron pong water lang, pero
Asan yung orange? Puro white talaga.
ang cute. Hindi siya expected sa labas na ganito kaganda.
I-video mo to kasi baka tayo sisili.
Yung nga binidyo ko na. Uy, mamaya, mapakita nga muna natin.
Kuya. Hindi mo na yung maleta.
So, ayan. Tapos, ayun, loft siya, guys. Ayun.
Hello, yun lang. Parang nagbabasa ka siya, guys.
Baka naman na ano lang. Pero so far, ang ganda naman.
Kasi parang ngayon natin, ang ganda yun.
May balcony, oh. Kaso bawal ata lumabas. Bawal ba lumabas? Ginagawa ata, pero sayang. Mas maayos lang siya tingnan sa pictures, pero cute pa rin. Yan nyo guys, pa-curve yung glass. I mean, nasunod naman yung itsura niya talaga, as in loft talaga siya. Tapos, okay naman yung sink, like ito. Ang issue lang dito, parang medyo may baha dito. Hindi namin alam kasi kung namin natapon lang ba. Pero ito yung okay na siya. Baka may pamunas naman dito. Maganda dyan sa taas. So, tingnan natin ang taas. Hindi ba mainit dyan? Okay ka lang dyan? So, ayan guys yung loft. Oh. So guys, may sleepers naman siya. At may pa-toothbrush with so okay siya. Sakto sa amin lahat. May towels, may chinelas. So, ang kita talaga ng loft and ito yung view. Glass siya na paano. Tapos dyan parang, second floor to, di ba? So, yung labas niya, na, parang tatalon ka na. So, guys, papahinga na kami and mag-ayos kami ng gamit. So, bali itong binook namin to for 1 week. Pero, aalis kasi kami for Sapa. So, iwanan lang namin yung ibang gamit dito. So, bye-bye guys. That's all for today. Nakakapagod but worth it. So, ayan. Bye-bye. See you on our next vlogs.